Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Blanca Durán and you are here because you want to learn how to take better photos and how to actually make a living doing photography. So today I'm doing a wedding at the fabulous Hotel Zaza in Houston, Texas. So I'm gonna take you with me behind the scenes. You're gonna get to see some tricks. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. So guys, then I've got the dress here and this is one of my favorite rooms at Hotel Zaza. I'm going to hang it in this chandelier. So what I'm going to do is I want to take a nice photo of the dress and I'm going to use one light. I'm thinking that I'm going to do a photo through the reflection. So can you see there's a mirror? It looks really cool. It looks really cool. So let's see what we can do with these amazing reflections. Look at this. So let me see where. I'm just gonna move my flash. Yeah, move my light so it hits more from the side. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna stay here. I'm gonna use that mirror. That looks really cool. Can you see? Can you see? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like we have infinity of dresses in the mirror, in the reflection. That looks really amazing. I'm gonna use one of these. I really want to get the entire dress, but the flash comes from there. I need to turn more the dress like this. Hope it stays. Okay, that looks cool. My shoulder is in the picture. I can't. Oh my God. Let's do it one more time. Okay, and let it, and it's turning, and I'm getting the angle that I want. Okay, so we can do with that. Okay, let's see. Okay, to be quick. There you go. The center, picture, flash on the side. Okay, done. So I'm only using one light. It would be great if I had a second light. Sometimes I just gotta do what I gotta do. It is what it is because I'm in a wedding day. And do as much as I can with the equipment that I have in hand. Let me do this of the shoes. I'm using natural light here, where it's not really natural light. It's the light from the lamp, but you know what I mean. I'm gonna turn off my flash because it's flashing somewhere else, and it is bouncing. Okay, this looks really cool. Okay, that works. Okay, done. Okay, so let's do the jewelry. I always remove the earrings from the box. And you know what? I'm gonna use my flash that is flashing from the distance. That's gonna help to reflect some light. Okay, let's see. It will do something. Okay, so I'm kind of doing some kind of editorial style. I mean, kind of. It's something very quick. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So, and I always count. I don't know why. Even when I'm photographing objects. Do you remember my episode when I was taking a photo of the cake and I was counting? Like 1, 2, 3, and taking the photo of the cake. 1, 2, 3. Perfecto. Like if the cake was gonna smile or something. So look at me, and you turn and look at him. Put your arm on his chest, closer, like más adentrito. Ajá. Y relaja tu mano. Eso. Now turn towards your shoulder higher. Así, touching with your chin. Ah, there you go. Slightly. Relax. Okay, at the count of 3. Do that at the count of 3, like. Okay. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Entonces, vamos a hacer. Es que quiero una entonces así bien elegante. Okay, turn that way. Everything looks good. I just want you to fix the hands. Look, look too mainly so soft, like maybe with one. So one is gonna be holding the other, okay, like this, and the other, instead of doing this, very soft. Turning that way, facing that way. Let's do the other one. Let's switch. And this one, yeah, and facing that way. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. From your neck, going down, have some fun. Ah, close your finger, close your finger. And then la luz la vamos a poner aquí. Tu pecho más cerquita de mí. Y estas manos ábrelas aquí en tus piernas. O a lo mejor podemos poner el ramo se lo pones porque siento que necesito que agarre algo. Eso, en tus piernas. Ahora voltea a verme. Y el ramo más cerquita de ti. Ajá. Eso. Y viendo hacia abajo ahora, así. There you go. Love it. 1, 2, 3. Ahora sí hasta atrás. Derechita, derechita la espalda. Hugging yourself. Softly on your arms. Closing your eyes. There you go. Oh, that looks so cute. Closing, snuggling. Yeah. Te vas a parar atrás de la silla al lado de ella. I like your pose. Relax, Jose. Crossing one leg. Uh-huh. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Have fun. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Okay, and the last one you switch. You two switch. This is gonna be a very cool one, actually. So, tu cuerpo está apuntando hacia allá, pero tu cara va a estar hacia mí. Y tú vas a estar así, así, mira. Crosses so I can see the figure. Ándale. Ooh, that's perfect. And 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna keep taking photos. Just keep your pose. Perfect. I'm focusing on him. And you're only like crop somewhere there. There you go. Como si estuvieras abrazando despacito, suavecito. Todo hasta atrás. Como rey, como king, hasta atrás y recárgate. Ajá, ándale. Y así lo alcanzas. Ándale. There you go. Ándale. Ok. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Only you rotate and turn and look over your shoulder all the way to the screen. Perfect. Like there you go. Perfect. I can get closer to her. Look close. Smile on her cheek. Smile. There you go. Perfect.